Okay, this is Groovy Space, and today we are in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. We got a very small unit here. It's on the ground floor, and we got, this is where you park your car. Please bear in mind there is some construction going on. You can hear all the banging. I'm going to show you the unit. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 2 meter deep, and 3 meter high. You can hear the construction, all the power tools going on. So all this wire here on the top here, the wiring that goes down, is not part of the sale. It belongs to the work here, the workers here, the tradies here. I'm going to show you the goods inside the unit. Quite a lot of boxes here. There's a couch here, boxes. And I think this is either another, could be a freezer, a chest freezer, or another washing machine, or a dryer. Not sure. Nothing is tested in this unit. There's no warranty or guarantee. Once sold, everything to be removed. Nothing to be left behind. You got 5 days to clear this unit once you want from the close of the auction. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Once again, this is in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. So remind again, all the wiring here that you see, plus this thing that is holding the wire, is not part of the sale, belongs to the construction here. Thank you very much.